4/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're in the key of C major. It's right hand first. Let's get the notes and the fingering and all that. So you're starting here and put your hand in this position. Make sure you know the names of all these notes in this music. It's important. And you're just playing them. You got eighth notes coming up. And if you can get the notes okay, you can go ahead and do the rhythm at the same time. Otherwise, just get the notes first and you go back and do the rhythm. With that third measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's go 1 and 2 and for eighth notes. Left hand, whole notes really. You're starting thumb on middle C, put you in this position. So it's just whole notes there. Then you get a couple half notes in this nice. Put the hands together, what do we get? 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you can get all the notes, no hesitations anywhere. It's good if you're going to march to it, left, right. You can't have any hesitations in it. Then we can add the articulation. You got staccato. There's nothing in the left hand. You just play the left hand legato. That's fine. But the right hand staccato's a nice light wrist staccato here. You got that tenuto line again. So hang on to that as long as possible. If you want to put a little accent on or a little extra stress, it's up to you. It's a personal thing. Some people will, some people won't. And then staccato, and then legato. So add these articulation things in the right hand. Just as I said, the left hand just play it legato. Then when you can do that okay, add the dynamics. They don't give you any dynamics except loud at the beginning. Okay, that's the right hand. Keep the left hand sort of down to medium soft, moderately soft. We want to hear the right hand. And then you can do the speed. Moderato, again, it's a march. Left, right, left, right. Depends on how fast you can do the eighth notes. They have to be even, they have to be controlled. If you can't go that fast, slow it down. However fast you can do it even and controlled, that's how fast you can do the rest of the piece. Because the whole thing's got to be one speed. You can't speed up and slow down because the music got hard. Let's try this together slowly, just to make sure we got the notes and the rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, rest.